Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Caution: the following procedure should only be performed in a clean room environment. Before you begin, remove the display cover, rear-facing webcam, and system board. Removal: carefully remove the touchscreen cable from the adhesive that secures it to the middle frame. Remove the 11 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the middle frame to the display panel assembly. Carefully lift the middle frame off of the display panel assembly and guide the display panel cable through the cutout in the middle frame. Remove the middle frame. Important: if the display panel or touchscreen glass needs to be replaced, simply remove the faulty component and replace it with a new one. Replacement. Note: before installing a new middle frame, remove the following from the old middle frame and install on the new middle frame: battery, speaker frame. Guide the display panel cable through the cutout in the middle frame and place the middle frame onto the display panel assembly. Caution: ensure that all cables are free from being pinched between the middle frame and display panel assembly. Replace the 11 2.5mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the middle frame to the display panel assembly. Align the touchscreen cable with the etchings on the middle frame and carefully apply pressure to adhere it into position. Note: if the touchscreen cable is not new or does not contain an adhesive backing, PSA or pressure-sensitive adhesive should be added.